In this video, you'll learn how to buy XRP using the OKX wallet. By following these straightforward steps, you will be able to navigate the app and complete your purchase efficiently. Start by opening the OKX app on your device. Once the app is launched, you will land on the home screen. At the very top of the app interface, look for a toggle switch labeled Exchange. Tap this toggle to switch from your current view to the exchange mode. You will notice the interface updates to reflect the exchange layout, which is essential for buying cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the Buy Crypto button prominently displayed on the home screen. This button is usually easy to find as it is designed to guide users directly to the purchasing options. Tap the Buy Crypto button and you will be directed to a new screen that lists various cryptocurrencies available for purchase. In the new screen, you will see a search bar. Click on this search bar and type in. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. Select XRP from the list of options that appear. After selecting XRP, the app will display relevant information about the cryptocurrency, including current pricing. Now it's time to enter the amount you wish to spend. Look for an input field that allows you to specify the amount in your local currency, such as PHP or PCAR. Type in the desired amount you want to invest in XRP. Make sure to double check the amount, as this will determine how much XRP you will receive based on current market rates. After entering the amount, you will need to select a payment method. The app will present options such as credit, card, bank transfer, or P2P. Choose your preferred payment method by tapping on it once selected. Review the transaction details and confirm your purchase. Keep in mind that your payment method may affect the transaction speed and any associated fees. After confirming, you should receive a notification indicating that your purchase is being processed. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.